Hello everyone. Hello. Let's get this show on the road. Let's make this happen. So I'm learning how to use VS Code for the first time. Evening sesh. Indeed, evening sesh. Now the thing is, what I want to do is, how do you show the terminal? Window. No, this thing. Terminal. New terminal? Okay, great. In theory they should work. Go start. Hey everyone, how are we doing? How are we doing? Command click. In theory they should work. Oh, go away. It's a local host, why do I care? Oh, thank you for the super chat, Rotovik. You're a legend. You are a legend. This is actually a little bit annoying. I don't want that. I just want the website. Okay, fine. So the thing is, the first thing I want to do is I want to install the relevant theme. Let me just put a little message here. People on YouTube, I'm going to switch to Twitch in a little bit because I don't want to clog the main channel with pointless stuff like this Code With Me thing. So please follow me on Twitch. Oh, Rodvik. Love the podcast and the YouTube channel. Keep doing what you're doing. Oh, thank you. And I definitely will say hi to Tamil. That is very kind of you. That'll fund my takeaway for this evening. Alrighty. So, what we want to do is want a new theme. Actually, the one I want is Krabby. This is the theme that I want. Why is this so hard to buy something on the internet? I really don't understand what's going on here. I'm literally trying to buy this theme and nothing is working. This is literally all I want to do. I just want to buy this theme. Please just let me buy the theme. There we go. All right, we're getting somewhere. This is good. This is actually good now. So let's go downloads. Krabby, online docs. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I want to upload the theme directly. I feel like I should actually set up the local host and live reload and all that kind of stuff first. What is up, people? Right. Let's figure out what's going on here. Okay, here we go. In terms of design, I probably shouldn't just play in. Okay, whoops. Design, upload a theme, upload Krabby. Okay, let's hit activate and see what happens. Create, I need an integration, add custom integration. Okay. Content header sidebar menu. Okay. So in theory this should work. Okay, there we go. So it's sort of working. Actually, not bad. Actually not bad at all. Safety. Okay, so this is a good start. Now I want to adjust things. Okay. So okay, I don't What's crabby? Preview. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Settings, actions, interesting. Okay, that's interesting. Bless you. Okay. So actually what I want to do now is okay. Hypothesis. Yeah, I've got my Invisalign braces in right now, so I've got a bit of a lisp. A lisp. Okay, so let's stick this within code, content, themes, crabby. Okay, themes, crabby, Krabby Patty. Okay, that's fine. So the question is, what are we doing now? Huh? Are we eating? Okay. Yes, please. Oh god, this is so annoying. Oh, there are a lot of partials here. Okay, let's keep things very simple. Very, very simple. Firstly, let's sort my footer out, because I actually don't want that. So if we go design, header, secondary navigation. I think we can get rid of all of this stuff, because actually we don't need significant footer navigation. Perfect. That's fine. Okay, so step one is we need to get rid of authors. So customizing sidebar. Oh, thank you. You're the best. Right, guys, I'm going to take off my braces. Be right back. All right. Thank you. Customize images high. Thank you. Fine. So first thing I want to do is get rid of authors. So sidebar authors. I actually don't want any of this. So in theory, all I have to do is I have to figure out what I actually want in the sidebar. Alright guys, what should be in the sidebar? What are my call to actions? I want the newsletter, I want my social icons, and I want I guess I could have courses either way, so let's get rid of the Oh, in fact, what I could do this in a non-destructive fashion. So let's just see widget. I want to get rid of the authors one altogether. That's a bit problematic. I actually want to get rid of this completely. Okay, right, this is the easiest way to do this would just be to delete this, right? So actually if we go sidebar.hbs, we don't need authors. Subscribe form, social icon, and okay, great. So subscribe form. A link to your popular blog post and link to your About Me page. Yeah, I mean, that's fair enough. I kind of want a custom homepage, but I want it to be more simple and link to a specific call to action. Okay, we need to also be very specific about what tags we're using. Because actually we don't want tags first, we actually want specific landing pages, but let's keep this simple for now. Let's get rid of the subscribe thing. How do I do that? I want to disable the members. I feel like I want to disable the members feature. How do I do that? Labs, enable members, save. But does that get rid of the news? Oh, that gets rid of newsletter. That's really annoying. I want to enable members. Okay, but I don't want to show the login subscribe buttons for now. So in theory, if I go navigation, no, not that. I'm looking for header. If members, logouts, login, subscribe, etc. Okay, so handlebars, comment. Okay, great. So I'm saying bracket, bracket, exclamation mark, dash, dash. And then dash, dash, bracket, bracket. Perfect. So that should get rid of that stuff from the thingy bar. So given that I CBA to figure out how to do the live reload thing for now. Sorry, John. I know you said that this was good. Should I set it up? Maybe I should. I actually should. This would be a good idea. Yeah, you're right. I probably should. Okay, so let's go GitHub. Oh, bloody hell. Come on. Why is my username and password for this stuff always wrong? Okay. Right, let's go Dashlane, GitHub. Save, okay. There we go. Verification code. There we go. Okay. So in theory I can create a new repository. Sephiroth/Aliabal. Private. Okay, create. Okay. Right, I need a basic GitHub basic tutorial. You know what, let me see, git init. Ah! Why? So stupid. I've created a repository, create a branch, don't care about the branches, make and commit changes. I want to do it from the frickin' command line. Okay, the weird thing is that you would think that this should work. Why is the active? What the hell? Xcode select reset. Okay, so I can say Xcode select install. Great, install, thank you, please do that. Agree. If this takes ages, I'm going to be absolutely livid. Keelan, oh god. Keelan, mate, I don't know anything about Windows laptops, so soz. Alright, this is a bit stupid. Why is it not working? And now we're stuck. The VS Code is stuck. God, I knew this was a bad idea. Doesn't the search function work on this website? Clone it using git clone URL, and then you can sync with the normal pull. Oh, yes, you're right. Okay. Okay, sweet. That's a good idea. So in theory, if I, are you saying if I clone the repo, it's not going to overwrite like my existing files? Is that right? People in the chat helping me out. Okay. Oh, my VS Code is dead now. Why is this happening? I don't understand. I can use git clone. Okay, fine. Cheers, guys. Let's just force quit VS Code because it's being stupid and not working. Right, force quit. It's not working. Fine. Quit. This is dumb. There we go. That should, come on, go away. Why? Go away. Go away. See, Sublime Text doesn't do this stuff. This is my first time trying VS Code. You know what? Bloody hell. Screw it. I should switch back to Sublime. I don't care about running terminal commands if it's not going to work. So I can just do this. Okay, good. Now I can use iterm. It won't overwrite if you've done the cloning before. Okay, guys. So so this is the. So I want to. So am I saying git clone this? Oh god, okay. I need to install Xcode. I know I can open a terminal in VS Code, but VS Code is currently crashing and it's not letting me quit it. So I can't be bothered. Why is Xcode not working? God damn it. Not that, this. Oh god. Why this isn't working? Unable to install Xcode. Delete, download. Oh, this is so annoying. Alright, screw this. I cannot be asked with all this git stuff. I'm just manually going to compress and upload this stupid file. So from content, themes, crab, okay, delete this. Crabby, compress. Now I can upload it to my thingy in design. Upload a theme. This one. Overwrite. There we go. It's a bit manual, but Xcode doesn't want to install for me. And Git's not going to work without Xcode. You may be better off to use Homebrew to install Git. That's a good idea. Do I have Homebrew? Oh god, why don't I have Homebrew? Brew, install Git. There we go. Maybe that'll work. It all needs Xcode. It literally all needs Xcode. Install the command line tools. Unless, or do I need to update my Mac OS? Like, what the hell is going on, guys? Need to sign into App Store. Is that all there is to it? I just need to sign into the App Store. I'm signed into the App Store. I mean, I could just download Xcode from... Oh, not enough disk space. You're actually shitting me. My god. I paid for the 1 terabyte freaking MacBook, and there's not enough disk space to install stuff. It's just so annoying. Right. Do I need to keep all these files? A lot of these can go. Just install Xcode from the App Store. Okay. Main thing is I need to free up enough space for this to work. So let's do some storage management. Oh god, I hate this. Right. I've gone up to 2020 0916, so I can get rid of that. have I uploaded all the deep dives that I need to? Yeah, I've never run into these issues either. It's weird. Okay, let's see. Have I uploaded my deep dive stuff? I've uploaded deep dives up to August Bradley. So Osama, Tiago, and Kay can go. Good. That'll free up nearly 30 gigabytes. Try using Atom. Yeah, I should have just gone for the 4 terabyte. TBH. Okay, now do I have new videos? September, Karma, Medic, video dump. Right, we've got 140. Why do I have 2 lots of 140? Oh shit, that can't be right. Oh, it's 144 and 140. So I've got 144, I've got 140. On 146 happy hour, I've got 143. In theory, that should be fine. Okay, good. Let's delete all of that stuff in the holding zone. Oh, thank you, whoever said that. Thank you, IQ Man Anwar. Okay, what is this? Right, that can be deleted. That can be deleted. What is this?
Arguments against like tiger parents and helicopter parents.
Delete those. Surely this is enough. I think I've uploaded the August one as well. Surely this is enough. No. Interviews. I've gone up to August, so I can delete August. Okay, good. I can actually delete all of this shit as well. Both these can go. That can go. Benjamin Hardy, yeah, that can go. Great. Okay, we've freed up a large amount of space now, in theory. So if I hit download on Xcode, it should just work. Great. That'll take absolutely ages to download. In the meantime, let's go back to my website. In theory, authors should now be gone. There we go, perfect. And in theory, wonderful. So that's a good start. Okay. Fine. What's next? Let's say file, open recent. Okay, I want to edit some typography now. I can do all of that with CSS things, and then I can worry about them later. Upload the routes YAML file. So I actually don't need all that stuff. I don't want member signups and subscription flows, although I do want to check that this is working. So if I say, does this work? Please check your inbox. Guys, by the way, please sign up to my weekly email newsletter. In theory, this should have... Oh, great. Confirm your email address. Fantastic. You successfully subscribed. Perfect. Okay, so at least that's working. Cool. Now what we want to do is... Okay, sweet. So now there's a lot of tags here. We need to think about... Okay, I can ask Angus to think about kind of hierarchy and structure and stuff. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of how this displays. So firstly, let's figure out how we sort the typography out here. What's the main font that we're using in this? Oh god. Oh, we're using SAS. Okay. What font are we looking at? I want Inter. Oh, we're using Inter. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. So actually what we'll do is, what about design? In general? We'll do emojis with spaces. Okay, so all these pages can be changed. The main thing is that actually we want Hunter x Hunter Gang. Okay, let's see, what are we doing to these fonts? Font size 16. Okay, now that's being changed. Is it nav item? So class equals nav item. No, that's inherited from the body. Is it specifically the link that's okay, there we go. Font size. Right, I'm not a fan of what's going on here. This is being... Oh, it's line height that I'm looking at, not font size. If I change that to 18, what happens? 19, 20... 18. Everything is all just a bit small. I want everything to be a little less small. But that's fine. I can... Okay, so font size is 12 for now. think we can at least make it 16. I can say letter spacing minus 3%. No, that's not a valid thing. Minus 3 pixels. Okay, no, that's not what we want. Minus 1, minus 0.5. Okay, that works. I want a little bit more font weight, 600. 900, no. Yeah, 600 is reasonable, I guess. Variable color gray. I don't know, should we 333 it? I can live with variable color gray, so what I want to do is... Yeah, let's just change the font size, so C nav link. We'll just do some code injecting. So style dot C nav link. And is it a class? Yeah, class C nav link. Okay, so let's say font size 16 pixels and letter spacing minus 0.5 pix. Easy. Save, refresh, boom. Right, that's a good start. We can up the spacing a little bit. So C nav item. I want to say margin right. No, let's say 30. That's a bit more breathing room. Let's say 28. Yeah, sure. Copy all of that. Go straight in here. Great. Oh, has that actually updated? No, it hasn't. At medium, min width 64, .cnav item not last child, margin right 24. That's basically what I said, right? At medium, min width 64, .c. Oh, maybe I have to do some shit like that. Will that work? Yeah, there we go. That's better. Yeah, nylon gaming. I don't think I was particularly sleep deprived. I slept like 7 hours most days. Sometimes less, sometimes more. So, it's pretty good vibes. Okay. I mean, that's fine for now. Oh, the search is really slow. Okay, interesting. I don't really like this display. The single post display. I like the header of this theme and I like the sidebars. Okay, let's just tweak stuff. We'll just tweak stuff and see what happens. So for example, I was inheriting from there, so can I say 700? I mean, that's better. 400? Yeah, I think 700. So I actually want to do that. That doesn't seem to have updated though. Oh no, it is updated. Cool, that's fine. And if I say yeah, I just don't, I just hate the default letter spacing of inter. Where is it getting letter spacing from? It's saying body. Should we just say body letter spacing and just let it do its thing? So if we go up, if we say would that work? Okay, there we go. I actually do prefer that sort of letter spacing. I don't like this display. Inspect. Show me. Where is the font weight being set so heavy? Yeah, the display of that is a bit much. Where is it inheriting its... Why is it just so... Why is letter spacing being defined? No, not letter spacing, the font weight. Why is the font weight so ridiculously heavy? Like this is being over. Oh, there we go. Postcard title, font weight 900. Why the hell is it 900? Why would you use such a stupid font weight? Let's say 700. That would be a bit more reasonable. $700, fine. Okay, good. Okay, and now the other thing I don't like is the smallness of this text. Where is it making it so small? Font size 14, okay, what are we up to 16? 18, yeah, that could work, and let's say line height 28. Oh, much nicer. Much better. Ooh, beautiful. Let's go 28, 30. Yeah, let's go 30. So we want to do this vibe. Okay, cool. Now we want a bit more padding over here. So we actually want to... I think we want to up the line height of this. Or at least... Should we say line height 44? Oh, 48, 44, let's say 44. Specifically that. It's all very hacky right now. The mobile displays, yeah, I need to look at that. That is a good idea. Should look at how it's displaying on mobile as well. Okay, so moment of truth. Okay, so this is let's see, iPhone 10. That's fine, I can live with that for now. Okay, I can live with this for now. I think that's reasonable. Newsletter, deep dive, newsletter. Okay. Because it's obvious, yeah, you're right, it's public, obvious it's a public article, but will this be helpful for when I have a members only post? No, I don't think it will. You're right, I should get rid of the public text. So in that case, public, member, paid members and public. So I should say, I should just get the class. I should just set that to display none. That would be reasonable. Easy. Easy mode. Good shout. Whoever that was in the chat. Who was it in the chat? I can't find you anymore. Giovaccio from Twitch. Thank you for suggesting that change. That's a good idea. Okay. This is now going along my vibes. It's also fairly obvious that I will have written these things. So do I need to show the meta, the date of publication and the newsletters? Let's keep it in for now. We will keep it in for now. So I learned how to code when I was like 12 years old, and for absolutely like ages ago. So like how I learned to code is not how I would recommend learning to code. I have a post on my website that actually talks about this. Oh, there we go. Why and how you should learn to code. There we go, everyone. Everyone who's asking about this. Okay. Great. We are making minor tweaks to this theme. This is good. This is what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Tags. Right. I want this to be a little bit bigger in font size. But I suspect it's this. Is it this that has a tiny font size? There we go. C tags list item. Shall we bump that to 14? Not 16. I think 14 is reasonable. I also don't want this stupid letter spacing. Ooh, yeah, maybe that's fine. Maybe 400? 500, 600, 500. Yeah, I can live with that. Let's do this. So, in theory, that should work. Save. Reload. Good. Fine. We are getting somewhere. Okay. This is looking a bit better. I'm not sure how I feel about these thumbnails. And I also don't want to display author information on a single post. So that means, let's just get rid of discuss. Why do we have discuss at all? How do I get rid of discuss? Is it this? No, that's sumo. Where are the discuss comments being added? I think it's here. There's a ton of negative space on the right at the moment. Yes, there is. It actually wouldn't. It wouldn't actually be that much negative space. There is like a newsletter thingy that I need to tweak a little bit, and also this will show featured posts. So in theory, if I feature one of these posts, if I say posts, I don't know. Well, I skipped last week's email or something stupid like that, and if I feature this post, in theory this should actually come up in the sidebar. Yeah, featured posts. There we go. What about featured pages? Will that work? If we say courses and feature this page, updates. No, featured pages isn't really a thing in this theme. Yeah. Specifically, it's featured posts that we want. So in theory, if I go posts, I don't know, 68 bits unsolicited pieces of life advice. Let's feature that one as well. Ah, okay, so it does show the thumbnail. And let's feature another one. Like, I think if I have 3 posts featured at any given time, I don't know, homework for life, something like that. Feature this post. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Get rid of the bottom line in links title? What do you mean? What do you mean get rid of bottom line in the links title? Guys, everyone who's asking, I'm using Ghost to create this website, and you can find a link in the video description on YouTube and on Twitch, I think. Okay. Now the other interesting, main interesting thing that I need to do is actually, I need to, when you hover the title, what title? Well, like this one, you don't want the underline on hover. You meant the underline on hovering. Oh, I don't mind it so much. It's a minor thing at the moment. Okay, let's see, what else can we do as like a quick fix? I actually want to refresh the cache for this. Oh, I should actually do this in incognito. This will look better. Okay, so let's change this newsletter thing. How do I change this newsletter text? Ah, interesting. Edit translation. So you're saying I can edit the translation file? So we say locales. Let's see. Disable discuss. No, let's keep discussing. Why not? Commento. Although I want, yeah, I do want to switch it to commento. That would be interesting. Yeah, let's actually use commento rather than discuss. So we want post or HBS. And replace line 40 with commento. Great. That's fine. I can live with that. So let's see what this looks like now. If I delete and compress and go to my design, upload a theme, grab Krabby over, oh shit, upload a theme, grab Krabby, overwrite. I feel like I've definitely signed up to this before. No, I think I did. Let's use Safari. Sorry, TC Waters, mate. I do apologize that I didn't see your message. Can you post it again, please? Yeah, I want this. Yeah, you know what? Start my subscription, why not? Okay. Oh wow, Stripe has a bidding thing, man, like within it now. That's awesome. Perfect. This is actually exactly what I want. Incredible. Okay. So, I mean, does this actually work? Let's ignore to GitHub and GitLab. Save changes. Okay. Now, in theory, this should just work. So I hope that now, if I look down, we should have a commento comments. Ah, powered by commento. Testing add comment. Log in with something. Perfect. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of the display of this, but presumably okay. I'm not a huge fan of this background color. Let's change the background color. What should we change it to, guys? Variable color white. What the frick is variable color white? I feel like this is background gray. Oh, hello. What do we reckon? How do you guys feel about this grey kind of background? Yeah, the second needs to be scrolled horizontally. I think what we're going to do is we're just going to reduce the number of these categories, and so we shouldn't have too many to actually display. This grey is a little bit too grey. It does have a tinge of blue to it, but maybe. What do you guys reckon? I like it. I think we should make it whiter. What if we just FFF'd it? No. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it's fine. I think it's the thing I just find a bit weird is that the text seems to be on a sort of very grey background. Any thoughts? Like normally you would expect like a blog post to have, like for
I think because your screen is yellow, it's kind of.
Oh, you're right. I actually should turn off night shifts. Oh, hello. Oh, that's very blue. That actually looks fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put night shift back on. So there we go. That's fine. We won't worry about the colors too much because of night shift. Pastel background maybe. No, definitely not. Sorry, Flasingo. Adil Chowdhury, thank you for that. F8, FEFF, let's try that. Ooh! That's interesting.
What is that though?
It's So this is Ardil's suggestion, and this is the previous one.
Oh.
Ardil, mate, I quite like your suggestion. I do quite like your suggestion.
Take off the yellow.
Thing is, it looks basically identical to. Yeah, Ardil, mate, we might go with that. It looks a bit boring. Needs to have a bit of contrast IMO. Yeah, I mean, the grey was nice. So this is what the theme looks like with the right sort of live demo. Like this doesn't look too. I think. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad once kind of it's a bit more fleshed out.
Mhm.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
And you can always. Yeah, that's fine. Grabby navigation newsletters. That's alright. Keelan James. Kevin, I was wondering if you do some kind of mentorship program for med students / doctors wanting to do something. Not really. But if you have any suggestions for a mentorship program, email me. We can talk about it. You okay, La? Alright, what's Giovaccio saying? FFF1E5, let's try that. Lol. Absolutely not.
Mine is pink. You can have pink.
A faded gradient. Nah, allow that. I think this is fine for now. Now let's change up some accent colors. Changing colors with CSS variables. Use code injection. Okay, so I could root color brand. Let's just, let's copy all these anyway to code injection just so I can change them if I want to. Will this work within? Will this work within code injection? So if I say color brand is, I don't know, red. Surely that's not going to work. Oh, it does work. Fantastic. Okay. So guys, what should the brand color be? That's the question. That is de question. What about this? This is sort of the color of my logo, which is, so I think brand color shows up on these quotes, this sort of darky kind of blue, or do you think it's a bit too desaturated?
I don't like it. What was it before?
Thomas, I'm live on YouTube and Twitch and Twitter. Thanks to restream.io. Yeah, we need to have like a decent brand color, and I currently don't know what that's going to be. But at the moment, I've just set it to the color of the logo. What do you reckon?
Go down again, so we see the lines.
It would be like.
It doesn't really come up, does it?
I mean, it comes up occasionally. Like if I've done a block quote. Yeah.
Yes, it's not. Doesn't appear that much.
Oh god, the Twitter display of tweets looks absolutely horrendous.
That looks like copy paste. Oh,
Yeah.
terrible.
Looks awful. Commenting feature looks pretty awful because there's no, basically just because of the padding. You know what? Let's just add some padding to this, and then it'll just look immediately better. So let's find comment in main area, and let's just say padding 20 pixels. There we go. Automatically much better. 30 pixels.
That's the padding. Just extra space around it.
Yeah, so there's no padding, there's a width padding. Just look as a quick fix to make it look slightly nicer.
Yeah. Can you make the background not white anymore?
For this thing.
Yeah.
So you want it to
To blend in.
the background to be transparent.
Yeah.
It would be a bit weird because like all of it's like the post is
It's
sort
just
of on the
post that's
background,
transparent.
and then everything else is like a sort of a widget or a sort of
Right, but if
card
you
on
go
top of it.
down, the videos are not padded.
The videos are part of the post
Okay.
because they're included in the
Like
post.
the tweet would look so much better if it did not have that white padding.
Yeah, I agree. The tweet is a bit weird. Where did the tweet go? Yeah, this is a stupid display. I don't know why this is so terrible. Tweet of the week. It's because the embed card. For some reason, yeah, something like.
Yeah, that's much better. That looks cool. Nah. Ew. Ew, ew.
Who's the girl in the background? That's my housemate Sheen.
Hello.
The brand color only seems to pop out against the blue. It's really hard to tell. Okay, yeah, I'll think about brand color later, I think. Okay. Let's see. What else are the bits that I actually care about optimizing? This is pretty cool. I think it is kind of nice to have thumbnails for this stuff. Okay, I don't like the quote display. I like this, I like this, I like this stuff. I wonder if body text should be bigger. Also, I feel like letter spacing and headers is not currently what I want. Where's my letter spacing? Oh no, it is. Fine. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not hugely bullish on.
The quotes are a bit big.
Quotes are absolutely huge. Yeah, the quotes need to get sorted out. Let's sort the quotes out. So block quotes, for some reason, has this ridiculously. I mean, I think that's fine. 400 border top. Yeah, I mean that's a brand color, that's fine. Font size 32. 32 is a bit excessive. I think 24 just looks better. And let's say line height 36. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's inject some more code. That's fine. Whoa, why did that not update? Media, min width that, block quote, font size, line height. Come on. Oh, yeah, letter spacing. No, not letter spacing. Font, just generally block quotes, font weight needs to be 400. And font size, yeah, block quote 400. Cool, that's fine. Well done. Good. Let's see how this looks like on mobile. What the hell? That's all very weird. No, that's fine. Yeah, I feel like block quote by default should be 18. 18 and 26, 28. I think 18 and 28. by default, so shall we say, there we go. So now this should be fine on mobile, good, and it should be fine on big as well because it's updated. Make that Twitter full width. Yeah, you're right, I should. Question is, how do I do that? Because this is like an embedded card. It's like literally an embedded like iframe. Ah, tweet rendered. Why is the width being constrained? I think it's being constrained by kg embed card. Minimum with 100%. I mean, well, yes. Yeah, guys, help me out. Why step 1 streams on a regular basis? Yes, I am. That's the plan. That is the plan. Oh, why the hell is this Twitter got a max width 550 set? Like, who is doing that? Twitter tweet rendered. This just doesn't make any sense. Unless you were going to create like a new card out of it. No, but this just like genuinely doesn't make any sense. Why the hell is max width 550? How does it display on mobile? Okay, so it looks absolutely fine on mobile. So what's happening on mobile? On mobile, we still height display. Yeah, we still got max width 550, but obviously when it's on mobile, that's fine. No, it's just why this is stupid. Like, why would you hard code a max width into this? So if I do a find partials, okay, where is this being hard coded is the question. So if I do find max width, let's just 550 pixels. It's not in any of these files. Okay. So if I change that to max width 1000 pixels, will that work? Okay, that does work. But then, why does this stupid Twitter iframe only go? Is this like a thing that Twitter says? Twitter embed 550. Ah, damn, okay. Embed Twitter parameter reference. The width, the maximum width should be between 250 and 550 for Twitter, I see. So you're not allowed to have a tweet that is full width. This makes sense. You're actually not allowed to have a tweet that is full width. That seems a bit silly. Only if you use the API, but that's a bit too much, yeah. I think the way this wants to display is just a bit stupid. KG embed card, we've got the Twitter thing, which literally does have, if we just say 1000 pixels here, and if we set this iframe to also be 1000 pics, or should we just say width 100%? Max, or we just delete the max width property, delete the width property. Document, HTML, body, app, God. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay. So you have to actually change the contents of the Twitter iframe. So just place it left and move on. Yeah, fine, okay. I'll just align it left and move on. You're right. You guys are right. Yes, it's Twitter. Okay, so how do I just align this thing left? Display flex. I've got box align left. No, that's not it. Align items left. Yay! Woo! Okay, so I can say align items left. .kg embed. Ooh, is that gonna be annoying though? Will that screw other things up if I align items left? Doesn't look like it. You can remove the Twitter card border so it seems like a full width. I'm not sure what you mean. What do you mean? It should be justify content flex start. Just try a line left and do something else for once. Fine. Alright then. Let me just get rid of this background behind this tweet because it's annoying me. It's definitely figure class. Oh god. Guys, where the hell is the background color for this? Oh, there it is. You know what, let's just do that. Oh, but it's not that I don't want the embed cards. It's just... Oh, he means you can remove the grey line surrounding the tweet. Oh, that would change things. How the hell do I remove the grey line surrounding the tweet? Because that would be awesome. Yeah, how do I remove the border? To remove the credit card, but you have to insert a new code line. What do you mean? KG embed card and background color noun. But I'm worried that KG embed card is being reused in a lot of other things as well. Okay, let's forget about that. The tweet thing is fairly minor for now. Let's do some more major things. So I think now we should actually start thinking about structure and stuff. And oh, of course. Yes, you need to see my CSS properties, but you see me instead. Why don't we put me over here? That'll probably make me easier. Border box none. But the question is, what am I targeting? Like which property, which class am I targeting to do? Move on. Okay, let's move on. Right, next thing is that actually we want to make a custom homepage. And so what I want to do is, let's go Sublime and let's say, there's like a very specific, simple thing here. Index.hbs. Home.hbs. Safety. I swear there's an easy way to do this. Is it just home.hbs? It's important to make note of page URL. I sent mine to home. The novelty of this tutorial was the page can be editable as ghost page. Ah, handy. rather than being static HTML baked into the template file. That's a very good idea. Follow the guidelines for a custom homepage. You'll be making some changes. Add a home.hbs that combines index plus post. Copy all of index and a few sections from post. Here's what your template looks like. You can tweak it to your liking. Custom routes, labs. Okay, got it. This makes sense. So let's create a new page. New page, home. And let's set that as home, testing. So if I publish with template, okay. Let's just publish this as a new page. Now what's this dude saying? Data page.home template using template home. Sure, let's do that. So if I say, so I need to edit my routes.yaml. How the hell do I download current routes.yaml? What does this say? Oh god. That's a bit annoying. Fine, let's, where's my, I need to go one level further up. I think I wanna, oops, nope, not that. Well, we can, oh, Xcode isn't installing, thank you. That took a while. Where the hell is the routes.yaml file? Settings? Oh, there it is. Okay. So you're saying okay, so let's get rid of that. So what I want to do is Ghost is free to use, but you have to host it yourself, or you can use Ghost Pro hosting. I use Ghost Pro hosting, link in the video description if you want to check it out. But no, it is free if you want to self-host it. It's just if you don't want to self-host it, then you do pay for it. So I think, what is a default Ghost default routes YAML file? What does that look like? Collections, that permalink slug template index. Oh, okay, I've got it. What if I nice. Okay, so I can do that. I can upload that to routes.yaml. Upload a routes.yaml. So let's go to, whoops. No, holding zone up. Code, which I can add to my favorites. Content. Settings, routes.yaml. Okay, good. Now hopefully when I refresh my website, stuff should break. 404, page not found. Good, that's what I want. It's using data page, it's using the template of home. Okay, let's just add a home.hbs file. So themes, crabby, index.hbs, default loop and pagination. So if I just make a home.hbs, default, okay. What's index.hbs? So it's default loop and pagination. So is it partials loop? For each post. Okay, so I actually don't need. So if I make a new file, new file, bang, save, home.hbs, and just get rid of the loop. No, because actually that loop needs to show the page content. For each post visibility, will it show me? Okay, let's just do that, and then we'll take it from there. So if we compress this, design, upload, crappy, overwrite. Come on. Why not use WordPress? Because I hate WordPress. It's just slow. Use Squarespace, much easier. Nah, not about that Squarespace life. Why is it still saying 404 page not found? It shouldn't be doing that. Data page to home, template home. So the home page. Template team, data page dot team. Oh, interesting. Template home. Data from page dot home. Okay, that's clever. Collections. I mean, is this still working with what task I've currently got? So this is all fine, it's just that. Okay. What's pagination? I mean, what if I just write an ASD? I don't understand. It's saying page not found. Just happens occasionally. Why is it saying page not found? I literally have a page called home, which should be accessible at alibdalside.com. Ah! Why the hell is it not? What the hell is going on? This is stupid. Don't say the S word. Why is this not working? It's literally saying 404 page not found. But okay, so this page works. It's just specifically the home page that doesn't. That's dumb. You're dumb. Why are you so dumb? Data, page.home, template is home. Interesting. Let me /blog. What does that do in his one? Let's say articles. Oh, he does have. So what if I do /blog? Template, index, filter, tag by podcast, and don't get rid of things that are tagged podcast and things that are tagged book. Book and podcast. Taxonomies, tag author. So maybe this is what I want. But that changes the URLs of everything. Maybe that's fine. Maybe I don't actually care. Maybe. What's the time right now in the UK? It's 10:41. Trading slash. Yeah, I don't want to hire someone to do this because this is actually quite fun. Ah, okay. Will this be the thing that changes it? That's a bit silly. No, that's still not found. But in theory, this is now /blog / the value of delight. Okay, I mean that's fine. But for a full page not found, this is absolutely dumb.
Did you accidentally like hashtag it somewhere?
Hashtag it, as in
muted it.
Yeah, I don't think so. What if I just change it to home 2 as the slug? Will that work? Ah, see, so that works. But specifically, if the slug is /home.
Have you changed the title?
At that point, it comes up with a 404 page. The what?
Did you accidentally change the URL?
No. Okay, what if I get rid of this? And if this then works, it would suggest that the issue is with the routes.yaml. What? Is there some kind of weird redirection stuff going on? Okay, good. Xcode's installed. Okay. So these are just some redirects. That shouldn't be doing anything. Ah, interesting. Oh. Oh, I think it needs to have page.hbs. Because given that home.hbs is a thing, maybe it just needs to be this. Maybe that'll work. So if I go to content, no? Dark content, themes, Krabby. Delete, compress, settings, design, upload, Krabby, overwrite. Come on. Please work. Please. Oh, it didn't work. I was so sure that was going to work. Oh, I mean that does work. Maybe it's just a caching thing. Okay. But now what's happening is that it's not recognizing that what the hell is going on here? Let's look at, okay, so view page. Why do they immediately lead to 404? Right. It recognizes that this homepage is a thing. And yet, when I wanted to show me it's coming up with a 404. I don't understand. I actually don't understand what's going on. Wait, surely it's not the fact that I've got... Oh, it might just be I've got too many blank spaces. Is that it? Surely not. That can't be it. That would be ridiculous. Let's upload a new routes.yaml and see what happens. Template index. Oh, you're kidding. I think this was it. I think this actually was it. Okay. Okay. Just had too many spaces in it. Mental. Alright, fine. Okay, cool. So currently that's working. Now the thing that's not working is this. So if I just replace it with this and go home, boom, finder, Krabby, compress, design, upload theme, Krabby goes up, overwrite, absolutely absurd. This actually is ridiculous. What the hell is going on? I don't understand. I just want to make a custom homepage. Why is it so hard? Under routes, do you need a double slash slash? Okay, so you know this definitely does work. Let's try again. Whoops, not rename, compress, upload. Okay, please work. Please work. Okay. This is a good start. It just means that stuff is happening. So in theory, focus slash home. That brings me back to index. If I go incognito. Why is it that it... Why is there some kind of weird ass redirect going on? It's all based on spaces. There's no excess fat here. Collections, blog, permalink, template index, template home, filter, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, data page dot home. And now my mouse isn't working. Why the hell is my mouse not working? We run out of power, there we go. Control F5. How late is the post? You have an issue with the post. I have a page called home that has testing 1 2 3 on it, 3 4 on it. I have hit update on it. It's at aliabdol.com/home, and when I go to that URL it just doesn't work. Why is this happening? Isn't any content on this freaking page. It's all the Twitter plugin's fault. Lol. Okay, let's find this guy. if it's from post or HBS? Not. What about if we just do this? Force reload may be cached. Yeah, maybe you're right. How do I force a reload in Chrome, guys? Is that Command Shift R? Well, according to someone coming in from the post. Remove test post encode. Hold Shift view force reload. Shift view force reload this page. No, force reloading doesn't do anything. Command Control R. Do you mean Command Shift R? F5 isn't a thing on Mac. Shift plus reload button. I mean, I'm reloading my cache and nothing is happening.
Do you want me to check for you?
Sure.
You want
Inspect element. Disable cache and settings.
What are you looking for?
I'm trying to figure out why this isn't working.
The latest is empty.
No, why this page is empty.
Yeah.
Are we saying disable cache? How do I disable? Disable cache while DevTools is open. Okay. No, still not working. Like literally every page works. It's just that the home page doesn't.
Yeah. I'm on it and it's just that.
It's just like a blank page with boilerplate. Try on Safari. Okay, let's try on Safari. Nope, nothing.
I don't think you're the issue, Ali. It's not the platform. Because even I'm seeing the same thing.
Yeah. Something's going on here. Something is afoot. It must be to do with here. So when you hit the page that's called home, it uses template home and gets the data from page.home. That's fine. Now, home.hbs is a page. Oh, interesting. Maybe it's this. Data. Post page.home. Maybe that's it. That's what someone suggested on the internet. So now if we re-upload routes.yaml. No. Labs, upload roots. Yes! Oh my goodness. Whoever did this, said this on the internet. They were right. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now we are freaking getting somewhere, guys. We've got this. So I don't want related posts. I don't want commento. I don't want upgrade CTA. I don't want a horizontal rule at the bottom. I don't want any of this labs member stuff. I just want a standard home page. I don't want the cards at all. I don't even want tags. I just want the content. Post header and content. Okay, great. Actually, this should be page.hbs, not post. So in theory, all of this just should work. Great, article, post header sections. Okay, this now in theory, if I upload this theme, it should just work. Bismillah. Hallelujah. Glory to God. Okay. Now, the question is, how do we display this page without a sidebar? Oops. Duplicate default to HBS. Close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me. Did I call my own? But it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. Okay, so I can actually just duplicate this. I can say new file default wide to HBS. What? Cause I don't care. So I can say default wide. Now this should get rid of the sidebar and that should allow my home page to rest in peace. Provided I compress and upload again. Oops. Go away. Comment it out. Alright. Alright, fam, nearly done. Boom. Great. Fantastic. Okay. Now the question is, what do we want the content on our homepage to be? Because I don't care. Who was it? Joel's Digital Garden. Let's have a look. What's he doing? Actually, do I want home to have a sidebar? I actually think I do. Maybe I do. Maybe I think I've changed my mind on this, actually. maybe what I could do is compress, upload. Maybe what I could do is should I buy a MacBook or an iPad? Buy a MacBook. You don't need an iPad. Okay. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. Okay, now actually what I could do is for that page, just to keep things simple, I could add a picture of me. Should I find a nice photo of me? Yeah, without the sidebar it does look super empty. I was going for like a minimalist thing vibe, but I don't think that's the vibe I want to go for. Let's find a nice smiley photo of me.
Open arms.
Open arms?
Yeah, closed arms are not good.
Or like this?
No, but not where you're crossing your arms.
That one?
Facing the camera.
Facing the camera. That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's go with this. Let's go with this one. Okay, so in theory, if I just want to save it as small, export. Now in theory, upload page image. Let's have a look. Let's have a cheeky look. Update. Boom. A weird thing is that this is doing some weird stuff. What's it doing to my image? This will save and upload instantly and save so much time. Yeah, could do. Let's see what I've done for... 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. Why is there such a large... I drink champagne with kings and queens, the politicians praise my name. Dun 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 dun, those were someone else's dreams, the pitfalls of the man I became. Years and years, they chased their cheers. And the crazy speed of always needing more. I remember who all this was for, and from now on, these eyes would not be blinded by the lights. Ooh. Okay, good. Let's just change some... Let's see if this works. No. Oh, hello.
Why is your hair cut?
What?
Why is your hair cut?
My head cut off. Yeah, that's a good point. It's a good point. All right. Sunday Snippets is at the top, and I think maybe we can now call it a night. Thank you everyone for joining, and see you at some point in the near future. It's getting quite late. It's 11:17 p.m. So I think we'll call it a day for now. Thank you everyone for tuning in and for all the advice and help. It's been very helpful. Very helpful indeed. Website's looking alright for now. Now mostly it's a matter of restructuring things and making sure we've got landing pages for everything. So, fun times. Thanks for joining. By the way guys, people who are watching on YouTube, please follow me on Twitch, because I stream much more often on Twitch than I do on YouTube. At least that's the plan. I don't want to like clog up my YouTube channel with these random live streams. So I'm doing lots of it on Twitch, so you should totally join the party. And maybe we'll do some study streaming tomorrow as well. Night night.